PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy, Avadi, Chennai. Already we have studied 4 problems in Fourier series. Today I am going to explain half-range cosine series problem as well as to deduce using the Parseval's identity. So let us see the problem. Expand f of x is equal to x square as a cosine series. Cosine series means half-range cosine series problem. In the interval 0, pi and deduce the value 5 power 4 divided by 90, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 power 4 plus 1 divided by 2 power 4 plus 1 divided by 3 power 4 plus etc. So this is the question. So cosine series means first you have to write the formula of range cosine series. So the Fourier half range cosine series or Fourier cosine series is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. This is half range cosine series. So full range is a naught, an, bn. So the problems already I explained you in the previous videos. So this is half range cosine series. A naught, an. This is half range cosine series. Half range sine series will have only summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. But here we have to use half range cosine series. You have to find the value of a naught as well as you have to find the value of an. Let us first find the value of a naught. A naught is equal to 2 divided by pi. Integral over the limit 0 to pi. F of x dx. What is f of x? That is given in the problem x square, which is equal to 2 divided by pi. Integral over the limit 0 to pi x square dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi x square if you are integrating x cube by 3. So the limit is 0 to pi, which is equal to 2 divided by pi. For x, you have to apply upper limit, minus for x, you have to apply the lower limit 0. So 2 divided by pi. For x, if you apply upper limit pi cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3. 0 cube divided by 3 will be 0. So 2 divided by pi into pi cube divided by 3. Pi cube divided by pi will become as pi square. So 2 pi square divided by 3. A naught is equal to 2 pi square divided by 3. Next you have to find an value. An is equal to 2 divided by pi. The formula is 2 divided by pi. Integral over the limit 0 to pi. F of x cos nx dx. So which is equal to 2 divided by pi. Integral over the limit 0 to pi for f of x square cos nx dx. In the previous videos, many times I explain you how to solve if there are two terms using the Bernoulli's formula. So integral u v dx, two terms. That's why u v dx, which is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus etc. Here you have to find, okay, u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, v1, v2, v3. So what is u x square? What is v cos nx? So u dash x square if you are differentiating 2x, u double dash 2x if you are differentiating 2, u triple dash 2 if you are differentiating 0. So v is equal to cos nx, v1 is equal to cos nx if you are integrating sin nx by n. V2 is equal to minus cos nx divided by n square, because sin nx by n, if we are integrating, integral 1 by n sin nx dx. 1 by n you can take as a common. So 1 by n integral sin nx dx. What is sin nx if you are integrating? Minus cos nx by n. Already there is 1 by n. So minus cos nx by n square. That is V2. V3 is equal to this minus cos nx by n square. Again you have to integrate. So minus cos nx, if you are integrating, sin nx by n, already there is n square. So minus sin nx by n cube. Now you have to apply the values in the formula, Bernoulli's formula. So an is equal to 2 divided by pi into u v1 x square sin nx by n minus u dash v2 minus 2x, v2 is minus cos nx by n square, plus u double dash 2 into v3 minus sin nx by n cube. The limit is 0 to pi. So for x you have to apply upper limit pi, minus for x you have to apply the lower limit 0. So 2 divided by pi into, for x you have to apply upper limit pi, pi square sin n pi divided by n, plus 2 pi cos n pi divided by n square, third term, minus 2 sin n pi divided by n cube. When you apply upper limit, minus when you apply lower limit, x square is 0, so 0 square 0. Second term will be 2x, x is 0 means the second term will vanish. Third term is minus 2 sin 0, sin 0 is 0, so third term also will vanish. So therefore 2 divided by pi, sin n pi 0, sin n pi 0, I have striked out, right? So therefore 2 divided by pi integral 2 divided by pi 2 pi cos n pi divided by n square. What is cos n pi? Minus 1 power n. So 2 divided by pi 2 pi cos n pi divided by n square. So an is equal to 4 divided by n square. Pi cancel. Pi divided by pi cancel. So 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by n square. Cos n pi can be written as minus 1 power n. So an value is equal to 4 divided by n square minus 1 power n. This is the an value. Now we are going to find the deduce. So how to find the deduce, I will tell you. First, you have to know the Parseval's identity. So Parseval's identity is left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side is 1 divided by pi, integral over the limit 0 to pi, f of x whole square into dx, which is equal to a naught square by 4 plus 1 by 2 summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n square. This is Parseval's identity for the half-range cosine series. This is Parseval's identity for the half-range cosine series. So there are some different formulas, because Parseval's identity is for half-range cosine series is this formula you have to write. Suppose half-range sine series, you have to write another formula. Half-range general Fourier series, you have to 0 to 2 pi. You have to write in another way. Okay. So we know that, what we know that f of x is given in the problem. F of x is equal to x square. So f of x is equal to x square means f of x whole square. So what it needs to the problem, it needs to the Parseval's identity. We are separately going to solve the values. So f of x is equal to x square. F of x whole square is equal to x square whole square, which is equal to x power 4. A naught is equal to, already we have got the result, 2 pi square by 3. So a naught square is equal to 2 pi square by 3 whole square. So 4 pi power 4 divided by 9. An is equal to 4 divided by n square minus 1 power n. So an square is equal to 16 divided by n power 4 minus 1 power 2n. This is these results we are going to apply in Parseval's identity. So Parseval's identity is 1 by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x whole square. Already we have got x power 4 into dx, which is equal to a naught square 4 into pi power 4 divided by 9 whole divided by 4, because a naught square we have got the result, plus 1 by 2 summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n square. What is a n square? That is also we have got the result. A n square is equal to 16 divided by n power 4 minus 1 power 2n. So every value we have substituted in the Parseval's identity. Now we have to explain 1 by pi, expand 1 by pi integration of x power 4, x power 5 divided by 5. The limit is 0 to pi, which is equal to 4 pi power 4 by 9 whole divided by 4. 4 cancel. So pi power 4 by 9 plus 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by n power 4 minus 1 power 2n. So left hand side is, instead of x, you have to apply the upper limit pi. So 1 divided by pi, pi power 5 divided by 5. So pi power 5 divided by pi will be pi power 4 divided by 5. This pi power 4 by 9, if it is in right hand side. If it goes to left hand side, pi power 4 by 9. So pi power 4 by 5 minus pi power 4 by 9, which is equal to 8 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 divided by n power 4 minus 1 power 2n. Now left hand side you have to take LCM. So pi power 4 by 5 minus pi power 4 by 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 45 is the LCM, means 9 pi power 4 minus 5 pi power 4, 9 minus 5, 4 pi power 4 divided by 45 left hand side. Right hand side is 8 into summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n power 4 minus 1 power 2n. Instead of n, you have to apply 1 to infinity. So 1 divided by 1 power 4 minus 1 power 2. 1 divided by 2 power 4 minus 1 power 4. 1 divided by 3 power 4 minus 1 power 6. So the power minus 1 power 2 minus 1 power 4 minus 1 power 6, everything will be positive plus 1. So 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus etc. So 4 pi power 4 divided by 45 into 8, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 power 4 plus 1 divided by 2 power 4 plus 1 divided by 3 power 4 plus etc. So 4 divided by 45 into 8, 4, 1 4s are, okay. Here 8, 4 divided by 8 will become 1 by 2. 2 into 45 will be 90. So pi power 4 by 90, which is equal to 1 by 1 power 4 plus 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus 1 by 4 power 4, okay, plus etc. So this is the final answer. So